Paruppu Urundai Kujambu, Lentil Dumplings Curry. A delicious South Indian vegetarian dishes recipe. This recipe serves 4 to 6 servings. Preparation takes about 30 to 40 minutes. And cooking takes around 40 to 50 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 1 cup tur dal, a quarter cup chana dal, 4 to 5 red chilies, a half teaspoon fennel seeds, a half teaspoon cumin seeds, pinch asafoetida, 1 sprig curry leaves, a half inch ginger, to taste salt, a quarter medium onion. Step 1. Prepare the lentil mixture for the dumplings, drain the soaked dals completely. In a blender, add the drained dals, red chilies, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, asafoetida, curry leaves, ginger, and salt. Grind into a coarse paste, adding minimal water only if necessary. Do not make it too smooth. Step 2. Transfer the ground lentil mixture to a ball. If using, add the finely chopped onion and mix well. Step 3. Shape the lentil mixture into small, smooth balls, approximately 1 inch in diameter. Keep them aside. Step 4. Prepare the tamarind extract. Soak the tamarind in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes. Squeeze the pulp and strain to get smooth tamarind water. Discard the solids. Step 5. Heat sesame oil in a heavy-bottomed pot or pan over medium heat. Add mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, and cumin seeds. Let them splutter. Step 6. Add curry leaves and green chilies. Sauté for a few seconds. Step 7. Add the chopped onions and sauté until translucent. Step 8. Add the chopped tomatoes and cook until they soften and become mushy. Step 9. Stir in the ginger garlic paste and sauté for a minute until the raw smell disappears. Step 10. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, sambar powder, if using, and asafoetida. Sauté for a minute on low heat, ensuring the spices don't burn. Step 11. Pour in the tamarind extract, water, and salt to taste. Stir well and bring the mixture to a boil. Step 12. Reduce the heat to low and let the kujambu simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the gravy to thicken slightly. If using, add the jaggery and stir until dissolved. Step 13. Gently drop the prepared lentil dumplings into the simmering kujambu one by one. Do not stir immediately, as this can break the dumplings. Step 14. Cover the pot and let the kujambu simmer for another 15 to 20 minutes or until the dumplings are cooked through and firm. The dumplings will absorb some of the gravy and swell slightly. Step 15. Gently stir the kujambu after the dumplings have firmed up. Taste and adjust salt if needed. Step 16. Garnish with fresh cilantro leaves. Step 17. Serve hot with steamed rice or other accompaniments. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.